team, happy Tuesday. I wanted to take the time today to show you guys how I made yesterday's video with the screen recording and the video in the corner at the same time. So keep watching and I'll show you how. The only tool that you need to make this video is Quicktime Player. You'll want to start by hitting File, New Movie Recording, and as you can see that pops up this window. I wanted to show you guys up here this green video. Jeff, you're gonna like this. If you click it, the first thing I wanted to show you is this is how you turn those reactions on and off. So, you know, whenever we get the balloons, if you want to turn that off, click the green video up here, make it gray. You can do the studio light, it kind of adds a lighting effect, and then if you turn on portrait, it blurs the background. So you can play around with the settings and kind of see what you think looks good, and once you're happy with that, you'll want to choose the position for your screen, and now you'll hit, let's see, view, float on top. Click this record button. You'll also want to make sure that this volume is off when you do that. So we'll click here. Then what you'll do next is you're going to hit File, New Screen Recording. So it doesn't show it here because I'm already recording my screen, but this will be the second step, which is to start recording your screen. And after that, you're just ready to open up whatever page you need and you'll stay right on top and you can record and share your message. The other cool thing is when you have the double recording going on, you can like kind of cut to the camera like this and bring it back in before you go back to the screen down here and get more into whatever you're trying to demonstrate. So there's a lot of fun options. Hopefully this will be a good resource for you guys, make our videos a little bit better. And so yeah, let's have a great week.